Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about this. I mix it myself. It works great. We have always had a big problem with spiders, especially in this marina. All the boats here has a big problem with spiders. There are an insane amount of spiders, and no, it's not because we have molds in our boat. It's on the boat, on the outside of a boat, inside, everywhere. But this fixes it. Spiders can't stand the smell. It works like that. You just spray it in a couple of places, like spiders like to be, like bundles of wires in corners and stuff like that. You don't need much. One of these lasts maybe 2 summers or something. Before I show you how I mix it, I will show you how I use it. So, couple of sprays like that, maybe here in the corners, like areas like these, just like that. Couple of sprays here in the corner, behind there, up here where all the wires are, something like that, and then it's done. I spray maybe like this once a week, and not a single spider has entered the boat since I started doing this, so it works really good. And yeah, we humans, we can we can sense the smell, but it's gone in an hour or something. And if you don't like the smell, just add more lemon juice. Yeah, so let's start mix this up. Normally I use vinegar, just vinegar, but I didn't have, or should I say Sandra didn't have enough vinegar in the kitchen when I did this, so I have 1 bottle with vinegar and 1 bottle with white wine vinegar, and those 2 bottles of the vinegar and white wine vinegar adds up to about 1 liter, and to that I added about 1 deciliter of lemon juice, and that's the most important one, because you can't use artificial lemon juice. It won't work. You have to have, you know, real lemon juice, because spiders, they really hate vinegar and they can't stand citrus smell, but it has to be the natural kind. So yeah, you have to use the real stuff. And if you don't like the vinegar smell, just add more citrus. Just mix it up. Before you use it, give it a quick shake so the lemon juice gets thoroughly mixed, and then it's done. Your basic household supplies. Just fumble around in the kitchen and maybe you have it home, or it's really cheap to buy. And like I said, it lasts basically forever, a bottle like this. So that's that. Just get the spray bottle and mix it, and then you have no more spiders. Easy as that. And while I'm on it, I have finally hooked up the last pumps. So I'm just gonna open here and then we will have a look. So there it is. Yeah, so let's go through this setup real quick. Here, that's the master switch for the entire toilet. Since everything in the toilet is 12 volt, and my boat is running 24 volts. I have DC to DC step-down converter down here. It's hooked up to this master switch. So down here there are two master switches. That one is for the starter. That's only for providing power to the engine. That one is the 24 volt systems for the entire boat. So when I turn that off, the boat is dead. But then we have this one also. So this one is a main switch for everything that I want to have on when I leave the boat, like bilge pumps, fridges and stuff like that. And on this the DC to DC converter is also, and then I added a switch just for all the electric things in the toilet. And that's the flush button for the toilet, and you see it's a small button there, and that is to these two pumps. So when I take a shower, the water will go from this drainage down through this hose. It's a T there into this tank, and the toilet takes its flush water from that. But what if I want to take a shower and this tank is full? That's what this pump is for. So if I stand in here taking a shower and see that the water won't drain out, I just hit that black button and this pump will turn on and pump up the water to the drainage to the sink, and the water will flow out from the boat. So what I did, I just added a T underneath here to the drain, hooked these two lines up to that, and I added a switch in here so I can switch between those two pumps, because as you know, I have put in a ton of work for removing holes in the boat. So to minimize all the holes everywhere, I used one button there to control both of these pumps. That equals only one hole, only one button, and one through hole to the sink outlet and these two pumps. So when I want to take a shower, I can use this if the tank is full, and if there are water in the bilge, I can just flip this switch and I turn that pump on with that button. Yeah, it works. And I've been using this for a while, so I know that it's working, and I'm happy. And that pump is actually for a pentry pump used in caravans and such, for just to throw it in the water tank, so it's fully submersible. And the black one is a circulation pump for aquariums, so it's really low on power consumption, and it has no problem at all lifting the water up. I think the specs was 5 meters, and here I have about 1, so no worries there. And yeah, everything seems to work as I intended, and of course everything is fused. So yeah, that's for today. No more boat work. Today I'm just gonna relax. But I want to talk to you about something. Yeah, YouTube has you know, nice diagrams for everything, and I went through it yesterday and I saw a troubling thing. I don't have so many subscribers, but I have a lot of viewers, and I checked 86% of all my viewers, they are not new viewers, they are repeating viewers that comes back, but 86% of all my viewers aren't subscribers. It's not hard, and it doesn't cost a thing, it just helps me out a lot, because I have to get up to a certain volumes of subscribers and viewing hours and so on and so on and so on to unlock features in YouTube, so I can get access to tools and basically make better videos. So please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, you won't even notice that you are subscribing. For you viewers, it doesn't make any difference at all, it only helps me out. So please hit that subscribe button, it's down here somewhere. It's just push it and it's done. Doesn't cost you a thing, it only helps me out. So please hit it. And if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up as well. But that's that for today. And let me know what kind of videos you want, because I spend a lot of time in the boat, both alone and me and my kids. Do you want to have more projects, or do you want to go into more like boat life videos? So leave a comment below, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we will see you next week.